Hello everyone. So we have some coins here. It's an unboxing, and I did the unboxing quickly, so we don't have to to waste time. So this one is not part of the unboxing, but this one is one of the coin that was given to me by a friend. So he says he had this coin for a long time now in this bag, and he knows that I collect coins, so he gave me this. And it is something special, of course, when a friend gave you something valuable like this. It's special and it's priceless. So so we go with this coin. This coin is from the United Kingdom. Its value is £2, and what makes it more special as well, aside from being a gift from a friend, his name is Donald. He's a friend and a workmate. So it is a £2 coin from the United Kingdom, the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, and it is from the year 1989. It is a special circulating commemorative coin that depicts the 300th anniversary of the Bill of Rights, as we can see up here. Tercenary of the Bill of Rights, and we can see of course, in here, the crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II with a value £2, and the lettering surrounding it, Elizabeth, by the grace of God, Queen, defender of the faith. So on the reverse side, we can see the Saint Edward's crown above, with the W.M. cipher over the mace. This is the mace, and the legends, tertiary of the Bill of Rights, and we can see the dates below, 1689 and 1989. It's very nice. So you can see the edge is milled, composed of nickel brass, and it is a thick coin. So you can see 3.4 millimeters with a diameter of 28.4. So it's a nice, lovely coin from United Kingdom, a commemorative one. And we go with this small one. It's very small. Wow, can barely see it actually. But this is, believe it or not, it's a silver coin. It's a billion, something like that. What we call billion is like, I think it's silver, but it also have lots of other metals in it. So it's very small. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it have the Hamsa bird, or the Garuda bird. It is from Cambodia. The value is 2 pe, and like I said, it's a billion, and the diameter is only 14 millimeters. So this is where the Garuda bird is. It's just I don't know if you can see it properly. It's too close already, but it is dark. But it is a silver coin. See the reverse side. This is the reverse side. You can see it says just 3-line legends. I don't know what is the correct inscription or what's written in it. Just a small coin, very small. Hamsa bird, or the Garuda, from Cambodia, and I forgot to tell you the year is from 1880. So it's a very old coin, very old coin. Very nice. It's a silver coin. So these other two. So open this one. These two are silver coins, and see what they are. So this one is a 6 pence coin. It is from 1817, and it is from the reign of King George III. As we can see his portrait here. It is a silver coin, and 6 pence. We can see here the quarter. No, it's not a quarter shield, is it? I think it is a quarter shield. Smaller crown shield. You can see. Yes, it is a crown shield. And the engraver is for this side of the coin, it's Thomas Lyon the Younger. And on this side, the engraver is Benedetto Pistrucci. It is minted in the Royal Mint in Tower Hill. They have a very good value, as I saw in the in NGC. So it could fetch up to $600. I think from $10 up to $650. Of course, it depends on the condition of the coin. So, but it is a nice one, eh? So you can see, still nice. I don't want to clean it. Don't clean coins. It loses value. But this one is more older. So this is a King George III. I think this is also 6 pence coin. But this one is from 1787. It's much older coin. Very nice, eh? As you can see, these are the like the Gaelic harp, and it's like the shield of the different what do you call that? Different commonwealths or something like that, from the United Kingdom, different places. Scotland, Ireland, England. Yeah, so those are the meanings of those. I didn't do much research on this one because it's been made as a pendant. As you can see, we have a hole there. So it's someone's necklace years and years ago before it came to my possession. So very nice silver coin, eh? So yeah, here we go. We got four different coins that have value. So for me, which is the most valuable among the four? Well, of course, I go with the sentimental value, eh? So the one that was given by a friend. So that is, I think it's priceless. It's always priceless. It's like a gift. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day.